No robots on the main line. Every McLaren is built entirely by hand.
Every McLaren begins here, with the precise handling of raw carbon fiber, ensuring maximum strength and lightness.
Inside the McLaren production line, the process begins by hand, carefully peeling the layers of this essential material.
The process begins with the careful inspection of the raw carbon weave. It is here, by hand.
This is the MCTC clean room. Here, our skilled technicians precisely assemble.
From the facility in Sheffield, the components travel the 175 miles south to the Woking production centre.
This is the MCTC, where the raw carbon fiber is stored at a precise 8 degrees Celsius before being transferred to the layup floor.
The precision of the automated system ensures every strand is perfectly aligned, creating the ply count required for maximum strength.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 layers of carbon fiber per millimeter of finished tub thickness.
Inside the MCTC, the automated gantry applies layer upon layer of carbon fiber tape, crafting the
Welcome to the McLaren Production Centre, where we build the world's most powerful supercars by hand. The precision of the laser ensures every carbon fiber ply is cut flawlessly before a technician carefully lifts it for the next stage.
To build the most powerful supercars, every component, including this carbon fiber weave, is handled with...
The digital ply guide ensures absolute precision, detailing the exact placement for each of the 100 layers.
Every single ply of carbon fiber is precisely placed and smoothed by hand, a process that takes hundreds of hours. The secret to their strength lies in the precise layering. Each ply is individually smoothed into the mold before the next is added. To create the lightweight yet incredibly strong carbon fiber structure, the vacuum seal must be absolutely perfect before curing. The carbon fiber monocoque is now ready for the autoclave, where high temperature and pressure will cure the resin. Once the cure cycle is complete, the autoclave door opens, revealing the heart of the supercar, the carbon fiber monocoque.
The carbon fiber tub is precisely trimmed by a 5-axis CNC router. This material is incredible.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the right edge.
Confirmed. It's secure.
hand-built precision extends even to the logistics. The carbon fiber chassis begins its journey to the main assembly line.
The carbon fiber monocoque, the heart of the new McLaren, begins its journey from the Sheffield facility.
175 miles to Woking, where these engineering marvels are meticulously assembled by hand.
This is the McLaren Production Centre, a marvel of design where the world's most powerful supercars are meticulously hand-built.
Okay, bring it left slightly.
Left adjusted, clear on your side?
Yes, lowering now.
Once the carbon fiber monocell is complete, it is mounted onto a precise jig, allowing our technicians full access to the underside for the next stage of assembly.
Okay, bringing it down slowly now.
Yep. Marks aligned, pressing firmly.
Good bond.
Every bolt is tightened to an exact specification, logged digitally against the car's build number for total traceability.
This is where the heart of a McLaren supercar takes shape. Every single component is meticulously...
At McLaren, every engine is hand-built. This level of detail is what separates a supercar from the rest.
The engine assembly line, where the piston is carefully hand-fitted into the cylinder bore using a ring compressor.
Following the piston installation, the twin turbochargers are carefully secured to the V8 block, a process requiring absolute precision. To ensure they are building the most powerful McLaren supercars, every V8 is rigorously tested, pushing the engine until the horsepower peaks.
Inside the McLaren production center, we witness how the most powerful supercars are built by hand.
The carbon fiber wing is carefully lifted from the mold, revealing the raw weave before coating. Hand-built perfection begins here. Each raw carbon fiber part undergoes a rigorous surface check, ensuring the highest quality for the final assembly. Here, the technician adjusts the aluminum panel until the laser gauge confirms the perfect 2 mm gap. Precision is paramount.
Fit looks spot on, Sarah.
Agreed, the tolerances are exactly where they need to be. We are clear for the paint bay.
Hand-building a McLaren means attention to every detail. Here, the raw aluminum receives an even primer coat before heading to paint.
This is how they build the most powerful McLarens. The papaya orange base coat is applied in precise, sweeping strokes.
This is the second coat of our signature papaya orange. Applied by hand, it gives the surface that unmistakable, deep, wet look. Every panel is hand-sanded, a meticulous process to ensure flawless paintwork before the final coat is applied. The third and final coat of papaya orange is applied, immediately followed by the clear coat lacquer, achieving this perfect, high-gloss finish. This is where the true craftsmanship shines. Every panel is meticulously inspected by hand before it moves to the next stage.
As we move into the interior chapter, the contrast is clear. A final meticulous hand polish transforms the...
Every panel is cut by hand, ensuring the finest quality for the McLaren interior.
Every stitch is performed by hand, a precise rhythm that ensures the unparalleled quality of a McLaren interior.
The Alcantara headliner must be applied by hand, ensuring perfect adhesion with no wrinkles. This meticulous process takes time.
The pedal box is secured, followed by the final torquing of the steering column, ensuring perfect alignment.
The completed powertrain unit, a marvel of engineering, is precisely lifted and guided towards the lightweight carbon fiber tub.
Clear on the left side. Watch the clearance on the manifold.
Looks good. Let's ease it down.
The final powertrain bolts are torqued by hand, securing the engine within the lightweight carbon fiber tub.
All right, easy now.
Clear on this side. Torque specs look good.
The feeler gauge confirms the gap tolerance, a critical step before the final tightening.
With the final panel secured, the build phase is complete. Now, the real test begins.
The completed supercar is rolled onto the alignment rig, where laser sensors meticulously measure the camber and toe of each wheel.
As you can see, the slightest adjustment to the suspension changes the values. We aim for absolute precision, down to the 10th of a degree.
Once the alignment is complete, the vehicle is moved to the test bed to ensure the engine performs flawlessly.
To guarantee perfection, every vehicle undergoes the monsoon test, ensuring the cabin remains bone dry even under extreme conditions.
Confirmed, the seal is dry.
The final software flash uploads the car's brain, ensuring every system is perfectly calibrated before the first drive. Once the software flash is confirmed, the engine and chassis are perfectly calibrated. It's this meticulous attention to detail that defines a McLaren.
Every McLaren is built by hand.
Here, the papaya orange paintwork undergoes meticulous scrutiny.
Hand-built with obsessive precision, the new McLaren finally meets the light. It is ready.
Hand-built here in Surrey, this is how we ensure every supercar meets the McLaren standard before it leaves the factory floor.
The McLaren badge is always the final component fitted, signifying the culmination of hundreds of hours of meticulous craftsmanship.
We ensure every single component meets McLaren standards before it leaves the factory.
Every McLaren is a masterpiece of precision engineering, meticulously assembled by hand before reaching the delivery yard. After weeks of meticulous craftsmanship, these are the most powerful supercars we've ever built.
This is where the most powerful McLarens are born, meticulously built by hand on this production line.
Hand-built to the most exacting standards, each McLaren represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, ready to meet the horizon.
From the hands of our craftsmen to this final assembly point, the journey of the ultimate supercar concludes.